I'll be showing you how to upload a photo on Instagram. Whether you're new to Instagram or just want a refresher on the basics, this step-by-step guide will make the process super easy. We'll cover uploading photos from your gallery, editing your pictures with Instagram's built-in tools, and how to make your posts stand out. Let's get started. Before we dive into the process, let's quickly talk about why uploading photos to Instagram is such a key part of the platform. Instagram is all about sharing visual content, so photos are the foundation of your profile. Whether it's a personal moment or a professional shot, photos help you express yourself. Posting regularly keeps your followers engaged. High-quality photos can grab attention, spark conversations, and build your presence. The more you post, the more likely you are to be discovered by others on Instagram through hashtags, location tags, or the Explore page. So let's get you started with uploading your first or next photo. Uploading a photo to Instagram is super simple. Let's go step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. If you haven't already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen in the middle. Tap on this to start creating a new post. If this is the first time you are uploading a photo, you will get a notice about allowing access to photos and camera. Tap Continue. On iPhone, you need to allow access to your photos. If you want to add pictures from your photos library, tap Allow Full Access. If you want to allow only specific photos to Instagram, tap on Limit Access. After tapping the plus, you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose a photo from your phone's gallery. You can scroll through your gallery to find the photo you want to upload. If you're taking a new picture, switch to the camera mode by tapping the camera icon to snap a new photo. Tap the photo you want to upload. Instagram allows you to upload multiple photos at once by tapping the Select Multiple option, but we'll focus on uploading a single photo for now. I do not like any pictures, so I will switch to the camera mode. If this is the first time, Instagram will ask me to allow it access to the camera and microphone. Tap Continue. Tap Allow. Tap again Allow. Now let me take a picture. Once you've selected your photo or made a new one, Instagram will take you to the editing screen where you can enhance your image. Swipe through Instagram's filters at the bottom of the screen and tap to apply one. Filters can give your photo a unique look, like brightening colors or adding a vintage touch. Tap the Edit option to make manual changes to brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Use the Crop tool to adjust the framing of your photo, or rotate it if needed. If you're happy with the photo as it is, you can skip the editing part and tap Next in the bottom right corner. Now that your photo is ready to go, let's make it more engaging with a caption, tags, and location. After hitting Next, you'll be taken to the Caption screen. Here, you can write a caption to go along with your photo. Captions help provide context or tell a story about the image. You can add hashtags like #travel, #foodie, or #selfie to help your photo reach a wider audience. Try to include relevant hashtags to improve discoverability. Below the caption box, tap Tag People to tag any friends or accounts that are in the photo. Simply tap on the area of the photo where you want the tag to appear, then search for their username. Tagging people helps them get notified about the post and encourages engagement. Tap Add Location. If you want to tag a specific place, like a restaurant, city, or event, adding a location can help people find your post when they search for content from that place. Your photo is now ready to be shared. Let's wrap it up. After you've finished with your caption, tags, and location, tap the Share button at the bottom. Your photo will be uploaded to Instagram, and all your followers will see it on their feed. Here are a few tips to make your Instagram posts stand out even more. Instagram is a visual platform, so posting high-resolution images will keep your profile looking professional and polished. Try using popular or niche hashtags that are relevant to your photo. This can boost the visibility of your post, especially if it gets featured on the Explore page. Post your photo when your followers are most active to increase engagement. Peak times are usually around lunchtime and evening hours. If you don't want a photo to remain on your feed permanently, you can also post it as an Instagram story, where it will disappear after 24 hours. Just tap your profile picture from the home screen and select the photo you want to add to your story. If you're having trouble uploading a photo, here are a few things to check. If your photo isn't uploading, Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sometimes Instagram may have bugs that prevent you from uploading photos. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version by going to the App Store or Google Play Store. If you're having issues selecting photos, check to ensure your phone has enough storage space for Instagram to function properly. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a photo to Instagram. Now you can start sharing your favorite moments, engaging with your followers, and exploring creative ways to use Instagram's features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more social media tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.